Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with brushed aluminum running boards. For wheels, we've got 19-inch sport wheels. The tires are in good condition. This one also comes with the chrome package, which is going to give you chrome door inserts, espresso brown ambitex interior, panorama roof. In the back we've got rear climate controls with heated seats in the rear. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, fold down third row seats, all season floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, burl walnut wood trim, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, this one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Also included is the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you speed limit assist, pre-save plus, Distronic plus, active lane keeping assist, and active blind spot assist, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, climate controls, cup holders, our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS has 61,192 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmannimports.com.